Today, we're going to create a cool product commercial video for your business. We'll use Canva to make a captivating video that showcases your product. Let's dive in. First, choose your canvas and add your product. I'll use a donut as an example. We're going to start by creating an animation. Don't worry, it's really easy. We'll be using the drawing tool. Just adjust the size, choose the white color, duplicate the image, and create a bite mark on page 2. Duplicate the layer again and make the bite mark even bigger. Continue doing this until there's nothing left. Next, edit the timing to 0.3 seconds and apply it to all pages, and we're done. Download it as an MP4 file and open a new video canvas. Don't forget to change your background color, and let's add some text. You can also use this AI called the Magic Write to generate brand name ideas or taglines. Ask something like, "Give me 10 donut brand name ideas." Choose your words. Insert them with our donut video. And don't forget to remove the background. Finish it off by adding some crumbs beside the text.
If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, comment below, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.